Hi, my name is Rahul Verma and I'm 25 years old. I'm an engineer by education and entrepreneur by passion. I am a computer science engineer from SRM University in Chennai. I previously headed operations for ISEC in India and also was the chief operating officer for an edutech startup in Bangalore. I am currently the co-founder at Unschool.
Hi, my name is Narayanan and I'm 25 years old. I studied physics from Loyola College in Chennai and then I went on to becoming the National Vice President for Business Development at ISEC in India. Thereon, I continued as the Country Director for ISEC in Nepal before moving to a full-time role as Head of Marketing at Clap Global in Mumbai, a startup in the K-12 sector. And today, I'm the co-founder at Unschool, which connects me with my vision of motivating and transforming lives through education.
Little less than 6 years ago, I was extremely happy. I got into the college of my dreams and pursued the stream that I really wanted. But less than 4 years ago, I was not really happy when I graduated. I realized that education system has several problems and I was a victim of that kind of a system. It's not only me, but there are millions of students across the country facing these kind of problems. I realized that a decision taken at the age of 16 for a student is extremely consequential in its nature of deciding a career path for a student and more importantly, a way of life for each individual. And unfortunately, this is not an informed decision. Consequentially, sometimes the career path you've chosen might not be the right fit for you or might not be something that you're passionate about. The same thing happened to me. Halfway down my engineering life, I realized engineering is not meant for me and I want to become an entrepreneur. And this is the story of millions of people across the country. What if a person who wants to pursue data science or want to become a data scientist is doing business management as a career in college?
On the other hand, learning comes from practical experiences. Then why aren't we having enough teachers with the current practical experience in the industry? Teaching is an art, we believe, that is not just restricted to conventional teachers in educational institutions, but anyone with the passion to teach and the knowledge to share, if given the right platform, can make learning better.
Essentially, the education system is not currently updated and does not provide proper career counseling, personal mentorship, and practical experience to students. And this is failing numerous people across the country and across the world.
From a perspective of all the problems prevailing in the education system, Unschool is a melting pot of counter solutions. Unschool brings together the most essential elements of learning, which are career guidance and counseling, personalized learning path, one-to-one mentorship, practical assessments, and a community of committed and passionate learners. Imagine if a person, an individual, is given a platform to learn anything that they want, regardless of their 12th grade stream, their career choice, or their GMAT score. Sky is the limit.
Also, for everyone who has the knowledge to give, deserves a platform that lets them contribute to the society without having to sacrifice anything or taking it up as a full-time career. For example, a housewife wanting to teach arts over the internet while also still taking care of her kids as a side hustle, or a chief technical officer wanting to share his skills and knowledge to the younger generation after a long day of work is the beautiful Unschool.